Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Agoda flights. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer. Simply go ahead and search for Agoda. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Now if you just look around here, there's going to be no flights option. What you want to do is beside hotels and homes, there's a transport options. So not just flights, you can book buses, trains, ferries, airport transfers, car rentals, and many more. So simply go ahead and click on flights, and now all you need to do is just go ahead and select where you're headed to from where you are, and then go ahead and select your departure date, your return date, and simply go ahead and see how many adults there are going to be for you. And once you've done, simply go ahead and click on the search tab, and once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to show you the best flights, the cheapest flights, and the quickest flights depending on whatever you are using. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.